Here are 100 WH family practice sentences using common WH words. Who, what, when, where, why, which, whose, whom, how. These are good for English speaking and grammar practice. 1 to 10, who? Who is your best friend? Who called you last night? Who is your favorite teacher? Who helped you with your homework? Who lives in that house? Who broke the window? Who is coming to the party? Who wrote this book? Who is responsible for this work? Who told you this story? 11 to 20, what?
What are you doing now?
What is your favorite food? What happened yesterday?
What do you want to buy?
What makes you happy? What is your plan for tomorrow? What are you thinking about? What did the teacher say? What time is the meeting? What is your hobby? 21 to 30, when? When will you arrive? When did you start learning English? When is your birthday? When will the train leave? When did you last visit your grandparents? When should we start the work? When did the movie begin? When will you finish this task? When did you wake up today? When are they coming back? 31 to 40, where? Where do you live?
Where are you going now?
Where did you buy this shirt? Where is the nearest hospital? Where did you meet him? Where is my phone? Where will you spend your vacation? Where did they go yesterday? Where can I find good coffee? Where should we meet? 41 to 50, why? Why are you late today? Why did you call me? Why is the sky blue? Why are they laughing? Why did she leave early? Why do you like this movie? Why is the door closed? Why did the teacher get angry? Why are you studying English? Why is he absent today? 51 to 60, which? Which book do you like the most? Which color is your favorite? Which road leads to the station? Which dress will you wear? Which subject do you enjoy studying? Which car belongs to you? Which movie did you watch yesterday? Which pen is yours? Which team won the match? Which phone do you want to buy? 61 to 70, whose? Whose bag is this? Whose phone is ringing? Whose idea was this? Whose car is parked outside? Whose book did you borrow? Whose house are we visiting? Whose jacket is on the chair?
Whose turn is it now?
Whose dog is barking? Whose responsibility is this? 71 to 80, whom? Whom did you invite to the party? Whom are you talking to? Whom should I contact? Whom did she meet yesterday? Whom are they waiting for? Whom did you choose as the leader? Whom did he send the letter to? Whom did the teacher call? Whom did you help? Whom do you trust the most? 81 to 100, how? How are you today? How did you solve this problem? How do you go to school?
How old are you?
How far is the market? How long will the meeting last? How much does this cost? How many students are in your class? How often do you exercise? How can I improve my English? How was your day? How did the accident happen? How soon can you finish this work?
How tall is that building?
How late is the shop open? How fast can you run? How serious is the problem? How do you feel today? How long have you lived here? How did you learn this skill?